I like to bring a really big camping chair, you know, in case like... Hey, welcome to Zophie. I'm Zophie. Perfect. I got my camping makeup on and I'm ready to head out. So number one, most important, you got the drinks. They're in the cooler. Some would say you're ready to go, but I get hungry. Next is food.
Like chips, gummy bears, nuts, pecan. I don't like these. There's healthy. Do I need gluten-free? No, but I got it.
For a hurricane, it'd be more like this, with a bunch of super healthy foods. I like to eat organic.
You brought a bunch of bags to open. You might as well have a way to close them with. Food can be messy, and messy equals trash. So bring garbage bags, bowls, cups. But what if it gets really messy?
Alright, so it's already gotten a little messy. Just a little cut on my finger.
But what if I can't see the first aid kit or my food? Flashlights. I'd feel a lot better with more batteries. So I better bring 4 more. But what if something happens to that pack? I better bring another pack of 4. Yeah, they're fully charged. So I better bring a charger and 4 more batteries. And just 1 more battery for good luck. Oh no, those 4 batteries can't stay in the charger. I better bring some extra cases. And just to be safe, I better put all the batteries into another case. Yeah, that'll do for my flashlights, but what about all my other stuff that I haven't put in the pile yet? But it's coming. I better bring a power bank. So there's 4,500 milliamp hours. That's not much, is it? I better bring another 4,500 milliamp hours. Seems low. Let's add another 5,000 to the pile. I mean, I guess between those, it might be enough for my phone for like a few days. But I want to charge more than my phone. Like, I want to use other stuff. I'm going to be out in nature. Yeah, I don't want to be short. I better bump it up. I think this is close to 27,000 milliamp hours. But like, you see the problem, right? There's no outlet. Then bring a freaking outlet, along with even more options.
Twirly whirly joy, I got this for free, but I did not get paid to make this video. They even sent a solar panel, so that's getting legs, but first I'm gonna get this. I'm sorry. Here's the specs if you're interested and want to pause the video. Avoid extreme temperature. I'm in Florida. So with the wall cable, which is this, it's gonna take about 5 to 6 hours to charge this thing. With the car cable, it takes like 7 to 8 hours to charge this thing. Oh yeah. I feel like I'm gonna be mostly over here. Maybe a little bit up in here as well. It's like a regular outlet. It's a 110 volt outlet and then USB outlet. There's a type C one too. Look at that. A whopping 7,800 milliamp hours. I think that's enough power, but what if it's not? I better bring a solar panel. Electronics, the most important part of hanging out in nature.
Of course I have to have my cell phone. This isn't the 90s. That's why I'm bringing a book that requires power. But a phone has such a small screen. Bring a laptop. I really love sitting out there, looking at the stars at night, laying on a blanket, and playing my favorite video game. Ooh, and conveniently that has a carrying case. Ooh, yeah, the thought of being out there in the wilderness playing video games gets me super excited. So I better bring this. What if it gets cold? Better bring a blanket. Then you better bring a heated blanket. Ooh, yeah. Right. Looking good. Of course I'm gonna bring pillows. Gotta have at least 2. Oh yeah, the camera that I'm currently using, it has batteries too. I better bring those. And in case this camera fails, I better bring another camera. I don't really like the microphone on this. So let me just attach another. Yep, let's bring a better mic and a tripod, of course. Like, what if I want to vlog out there? Ooh, what if lighting's not optimal? Oh, you best bring a ring light. Definitely gonna need some makeup. And makeup brushes, hairbrush, hair. Gotta have chairs. Might as well just bring like an entire camping love seat. I like to bring a really big camping chair. You know, in case like... Maybe? Do you think it'll work? I gotta bring extra clothes. And shoes. This one has shoes. Towels. Oh, my clothes could get wrinkled in here. I better bring a steamer. We got an outlet. Might as well bring a lamp. I love lamp. Sucks. I really should have gotten a tent. Ooh, it looks like it's gonna rain. I better not go.
I am not hauling all this stuff to the backyard. I need a wagon or a wheelbarrow. I used to have a wagon. I don't have, I'm wagonless. I don't have a way to get it out there. I mean, I could in trips, many trips, but I don't want to do that. So let's just get out there and pretend to camp. It's 3,000 degrees out here. Is my makeup okay? Doesn't look like it. Right there is where I ripped the chair. Oops. I love camping. I just love coming out here and looking at nature. Ooh. There's just not many things better out there than nature. Do you hear it? I don't know if you heard it or not, but there's like a little fan that goes on once in a while in there to cool it off, I guess, because that's what fans are for. So, anyways, I'm not gonna connect the crock pot. There's nothing in it. So, but I can. I don't know if I should. I mean, I do have a solar panel, which I can charge the power supply with. So technically I could. It goes up to 330 watts. So whatever device you plug in there, just check on it. The crock pot is 300. Oh, even better. This one's 200 watts. So yeah, I can definitely plug it in. Oh, it's 95 degrees. Oh, I'm sweating so bad. Makeup's just, oh, it's not even salvageable. I think I'm just gonna take a shower. Shh. Oh no. Oh, yup. I'm so glad the video's over because that just happened. Do you like my wing? Oh my gosh, it's so bad. Oh. We can kind of move it around wherever you feel like. Now I have to put all this stuff back inside. At least I didn't bring the whole table. Is it all sweaty? Does it look sweaty? It feels sweaty.